Welcome to our comprehensive YouTube video on managing stress and improving your mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common challenge that can negatively impact our mental health and overall quality of life. However, with the right strategies and practices, we can effectively manage stress and cultivate a healthier mindset. In this video, we will explore practical tips, techniques, and insights that can help you navigate stress, enhance your mental well-being, and lead a more fulfilling life. Prioritize self-care. One crucial aspect of managing stress is prioritizing self-care. In the midst of our busy lives, it's essential to make time for activities that bring us joy and relaxation. Engaging in hobbies or activities that we love, practicing mindfulness or meditation, and ensuring we get enough restorative sleep are all key components of self-care. By taking care of our physical and emotional well-being, we can reduce stress levels, rejuvenate our mind and body, and better cope with the challenges that come our way. Develop healthy coping mechanisms. Discovering healthy coping mechanisms is instrumental in dealing with stress effectively. Instead of resorting to unhealthy habits like excessive alcohol consumption or emotional eating, we can explore healthier alternatives. Regular exercise is a powerful stress reliever as it boosts endorphin levels, improves mood, and promotes overall well-being. Journaling, talking to a trusted friend or therapist, and practicing deep breathing exercises are also valuable coping strategies that help us manage stress in a positive and constructive way. Establish boundaries. Setting clear boundaries is vital for managing stress and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Learning to say no when we feel overwhelmed and taking on only what we can handle is essential for our well-being. By communicating our needs assertively and avoiding overcommitment, we create the necessary mental space and energy to effectively manage stress. Prioritizing our own well-being ensures that we have the resources and resilience to navigate life's challenges more effectively. Practice positive thinking. Cultivating a positive mindset can significantly impact our mental well-being. It involves challenging negative thoughts and reframing them into more positive and realistic perspectives. By consciously focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, practicing gratitude, and appreciating the small joys, we can develop a more optimistic outlook. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences, whether it's supportive friends, uplifting books, or inspiring content, can also help us maintain a positive mindset and better cope with stress. Seek support. Remember that seeking support is not a sign of weakness but a sign of strength. During times of stress, it's important to reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional if needed. Sharing our concerns, feelings, and experiences with trusted individuals can provide us with a fresh perspective, guidance, and emotional support. It reminds us that we are not alone in our struggles and helps us navigate through stressful periods more effectively. Engage in stress-relieving activities. Engaging in stress-relieving activities can play a significant role in improving our mental well-being. Exploring hobbies or activities that bring us joy, such as painting, gardening, or playing an instrument, can provide a welcome respite from stress. Spending time in nature has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and can help us reconnect with our inner peace. Regular physical exercise, whether it's yoga, walking, or any form of movement that we enjoy, releases tension, boosts mood, and reduces stress levels. Managing stress and improving our mental well-being is an ongoing journey that requires consistent effort, self-awareness, and self-care. By prioritizing self-care, developing healthy coping mechanisms, establishing boundaries, practicing positive thinking, seeking support, and engaging in stress-relieving activities, we can create a more balanced and resilient mindset. It's important to remember that managing stress is not about eliminating it entirely, but rather developing the tools and strategies to navigate it effectively. By implementing these practical tips and techniques, you can take proactive steps towards managing stress, enhancing your mental well-being, and leading a more fulfilling life. Remember, it's essential to be patient with yourself and practice self-compassion along the way. Each person's journey is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Find what resonates with you and incorporate it into your daily life. Don't hesitate to explore additional resources, such as books, podcasts, or workshops, that provide further insights and techniques for stress management and mental well-being. Remember, it's a continuous learning process, and you have the power to prioritize your well-being and create a healthier, more balanced life. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal growth, well-being, and stress management. Together, let's empower ourselves to effectively manage stress and cultivate a positive and resilient mindset for a happier, healthier life.